Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And now I'll show you how to cut and trim video on CapCut. So, once we've imported our media onto the timeline, we can move the playhead to where we want to cut. Then we can press B for the first solution of cutting, and this little cut tool will appear. Then you can move this little tool to where you want on the playhead. You can see these little yellow lines, and then press the mouse button to cut that section. Then you can move it to the next section, and then press on the mouse again to cut. Now you want to remove that tool once you've finished cutting your media. And to do that, you want to press A on the keyboard, and this will remove the cutting tool. Then you can right click on the part you've cut and select delete, or you can simply press the backspace on the keyboard with that section highlighted, and it will delete that section of the clip. Now let's put that back. The second way to cut a clip within CapCut is to move the playhead to where you want, and then you can select this button here, which is the split button. As you can see, there is a shortcut to do this also, Command and B on the Mac. So you can move it to the first section where you want to cut, and it will cut wherever the playhead is placed on the timeline. Then you can go to the next section where you want to cut, so let's say here. Then we can either press that button or the shortcut key. So let's use the shortcut key in this instance, which on the Mac is Command and B. Then we can highlight the section we've just cut and press the backspace. Now the third option is a little slower. You can move the playhead to where you want. You can right click and then select Split Scene, and this will split the scene at the playhead. So that's 3 different ways how to cut and trim a video in CapCut. You've experienced a quick CapCut tutorial, but the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials designed to make your editing experience smoother and more efficient. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful content.